Hello everybody, back again, and this time I have a mini album which was a workshop run by Tinson of Crafty Emporium design. It measures 8.5 by 6.5 with a 1-inch spine, a hitch post and eyelet fastener, and the kit I've used, or the papers, are Graphic 45 Kaleidoscope. Rather unusual colours for me because I'm not one to go for bright colours. I tend to do more vintage, but having said that, I like the dual colours, and this is a very nice kit, and I'm quite happy with the way it's turned out. Front cover, I've used a card from the kit, a strip I've punched out and put down the side, and the elephants and these pieces I've also cut out and decoupaged on there. Inside, I've used quite a lot of the cards at the moment, but some of these, some or all of them, may well be replaced with photos or whatever later, because there's plenty of room to put them. I've made a tag here, or bookmark, whatever you want to use it for or call it. I've done a little piece with cheesecloth and the word adventure, which is one of Tim Holt's words, and a little sticker. And that just tucks into the pocket, which again is one of the cards. And I've stuck another piece along there just to give her a bit more interest on that one, and some little sparkly gem pieces, which again match in very nicely with the kit. I've used black card as the base for it, and this is actually duct tape, which matched in well. First page, the zebras, I think this was the only one of these we had in the papers there, and it was so nice I didn't want to cover it up, so I've just left that completely plain. Turn it over, and this is one of Carol's innovative designs. She comes up with these nice ideas, and this is one of them that gives you a bit of a surprise until you see how it works. That card pulls out there into that little top pocket there. We have a belly or small band here, and this strap here. This strap pulls out. Just try and get it in frame. I'm not going to get it all in, but I'll get as much as I can. So that piece pulls out there, and inside we've got the 2 tucks, and I've just put another card in there, and they just tuck in the top and bottom on that one. And then that closes up again, that band goes under that one, and that card goes back in there. So when you first look at this, you've no idea that that all opens up, and there are surprises underneath. On the edge of each of the, or I should say in these pockets, we've got card photo mats. Again, they are just plain, but they will make really nice photo mats. And on these I've put tabs, and I've just put different words on each one. I'll leave that one out for now, and I won't show each one. Each one is the same. Each one where there's a tab, there is a photo mat inside the pocket. So on the second one, we've got another pocket here, and a nice tag, which again is plain at present. And again, I've put the little sparkly gem pieces, which match in so well with it. This one, we've got a belly band. I've edge punched, as you can see on there, and at the bottom it's got a little pocket, and I've just made another tag with a little piece of ribbon, and that tucks in there, and then just a decoration there. Again, as I say, we've got the photo mat in there. This one, these I've done both the same. Some of them I haven't, because they're quite highly decorated papers, I haven't added too much more. I don't think they need too much. And this one, I've just done the 2 pockets along the bottom, and at present the cards in the same there. So those are both the same, and in these we've got just a little tag that side and the same on that side. This one we've got a belly band across and just a card tucked in there. This one is a flip up, so that's one sheet there of the paper which we flip up there, if I can get it all in, and I've just done a piece across the top which again you could tuck. I've just tucked a card, you could put whatever you like in there. And then down here we've got another band, and at the present just a piece of card. That pieces could be added, pieces of paper if you wanted to turn it into a notebook, or again another photo. This one here is the side pocket with the punching again, card tucked in there again, and in this one another pocket and another card. As I say, all these have got the mats that pull out, and each one I've put different words on. And we come to the back. This is what Carol calls her ghost pockets, and if that is taken out then you would think that was all one piece of paper. So just got a card there I put on there, and again another long tag, bookmark, whatever you want to use it for, and that just tucks in there. And in this one we've got a side tuck and a card, and that is the album. Thank you to Carol for a most enjoyable workshop, and hopefully I'll be back again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.